The H-Wash SS is the sanitisation station within our range. It provides the option of having alcohol gel for effective hand hygiene in places where it's not really possible to have soap and water. The unit contains the dispenser for the hand gel, which connects to the 5 litre container, the paper towel dispenser, or can be also used for antibacterial wipes, waste bin, and then storage for an extra 5 litre container in the bottom. All this is within a very small 300 by 300 ml footprint. To use the unit, you simply squeeze the dispenser. It's a very controlled measure of hand gel. Use the paper towels either for drying the hands, or it can be antibacterial wipes for wiping down your work surface, baskets, trolleys, whatever it is that you need to clean before you use, and then dispense of that within the waste bin area that's provided. Changing the 5 litre is very easy. This dispenser connects straight to the bottle of 5 litre hand gel, which is in here. So that just lifts up the unit like so, and then you unscrew it to put it onto a new bottle. We lift over and turn the unit round. We have the removable waste bin here, and then here is where we store the extra spare 5 litre of the hand gel. The unit can also be used with soap in here instead of alcohol gel. So if you've got, say, an excess of basins where water is available, this just gives you a means of placing additional soap and hand towels and waste bins where required.